Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add money on BUNQ. So you can only go ahead and do this from your mobile devices. Unfortunately, I don't have myself a BUNQ account, but adding money to your account is extremely simple. Now, you can then go ahead and choose different methods when doing this, but you want to navigate through the add money option. From there, there's different options like the so forth option, which arrives instantly. You have the credit or debit card, which the fees can vary but also arrives instantly. We have bank transfers and ideal. Now, if you're transferring money or adding money from your bank account, you then want to choose bank transfer right here. Choose your bank account. For example, if you're using American Express, just go ahead and choose American Express. Enter your account, or you will be able to go ahead and you will be prompted to the login page of your American Express, and from there you will be able to enter the amount that you want to send or add money onto your BUNQ account, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.